Production. What you, this is a whole vibe right now. This is a whole vibe right now. I got on IG to flex the fresh cut, nothing else. To flex the fresh cut. That's it, nothing else. Hey, Jeezy, who cut you? Who better than me? What? Who better than me? Jeezy, who cut you? Who better than me? Who better than me? I know what I want when I cut my hair. I know what I want when I cut my hair. Come on, D, rock with me one time. D, you gotta rock with me one time. You the reason why I'm doing this anyway. D, you the reason why I'm doing this. I got on IG to flex the fresh cut. What? What you mean I got on IG to flex the fresh cut? D, you thought you was gonna be the only one today? D thought she was gonna be the only one today. Come on, D, you know I was gonna get a cut. Once I seen yours, I was like, I got on IG to flex the fresh cut. I got on IG to flex the fresh cut. AG, what you mean I got on IG to flex the fresh cut, the funk master flex the fresh cut? Stop playing with me, man. Fucking stupid. Current mood. You know I'm juiced. We looking good today. Somebody gonna see this guy for real.